to be the unboxing of the box by Fashionsta for November. Yeah, I know, it's December. But we're finally getting it, and we're finally gonna get to review it, talk about it, unbox it, all of that fun stuff. Before we jump into the actual unboxing, guys, if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD, where we embrace the hot mess and run on pretty much nothing but caffeine, but it's a judgment-free zone, so it's fine. Everything's fine, right? Anyways, don't forget to follow me over on Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, my second channel, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, all of that fun stuff. Hot Mess Mama of 4. I'll leave it up here for you guys. And hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, and become part of our family. And don't forget, I do have 2 giveaways going on. I will leave those listed and linked down below for you guys in the description box. One is a $100 Visa gift card giveaway, and the other is for the brand new Alter Ego Aurora palette. That is a dupe for the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, so definitely make sure to check those out. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Okay, so getting right into the box. Like I said, it's called The Box by Fashionsta, and actually because of Patreon donations, which they've already seen the unboxing for this, they get first dibs on these videos, but I use our Patreon donations to put right back into our channel, but they get first dibs, like I said, on the videos of the unboxing. So they've already seen this, they already know, and a huge shout out and thank you to our Patreons for your donations and helping to support our channels. So like I said, the box is called The Box. This is a monthly subscription. It is $19.99. And you guys, they pulled the money out of my account like November 5th. I did not receive this box until December 3rd. So I don't know what's up with that, but I know that the first month I did not get the box that late, and it was just really odd for them to pull the money out that fast, and then I was just sitting here waiting. It wasn't that it was stuck somewhere or anything like that, stuck in transit. It legitimately just hadn't shipped until the end of the month. So I thought that that was really odd and really strange, and I wasn't real thrilled about that. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into it. Like I said, this is a $19.99 a month box. This is monthly. It is a subscription, and you do, like other ones, get a card telling you a little bit about the box, how much everything does retail for. So jumping in, the first item we have is this, I think it's Serene, I don't know, I'm probably saying it wrong, Moroccan hair serum for all hair types, and it actually has a retail value of $45. These are full-size products, so I do like that. This is a really bougie, nice bottle. This is a really nice bottle. So it is a glass bottle, and like I said, it is a full size, and it has a nice little pump on there as well. So this is really nice. I actually use right now I'm using the Way hair oil, and so I definitely recommend using a hair oil, especially if you bleach your hair. Works out really well. My hairdresser is actually the one who recommended it. The next item that we received is the Butt Naked CBD Booty Scrub. Oh my lord. Okay, here we go. So this is what the box looks like, and this retails for $29. This is a CBD sugar scrub for the most natural exfoliation and skin tightening. Smooth and refine your skin with the first ever CBD infused body scrub. Oh my gosh, it's pink. It's so cute. I love it. It's actually really cute. Nice glass jar. This is like really nice. Like high-end products. I gotta open it up. I don't really smell much. I mean, honestly, CBD oil is like really soothing and relaxing, like if you take it. So I will definitely be using that. Like I said, it retails for $29, and I'll come back and tell you guys about it. I love to just have like nice little spa days of my own, you know. Okay, so the next item we have is by Lorella, I think. Actually, and I did not open this because this is just not going to be a shade for me. It's like a deep brick red, which I say that, and It's probably really pretty, but it looks like it's a liquid lipstick. I actually have a ton of them, so this will be going into a giveaway. I'll probably just gift it to one of my Patreons over there. The next item we got is from Cara Beauty Midnight Garden Shadow Palette. This is really pretty. So this is what the box actually looks like. It is like a cardboard type of box. And again, I think this will probably end up being put into, so I'll probably just end up gifting this to one of my Patreons, but this is what it looks like. It is really pretty. The colors are really pretty, but again, I feel like I have these, so why not give it away, you know? Last but not least, ooh, this is a Fig and Yarrow Orange Blossom Lavender Complexion Water. Hydrating. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you about this. I'm so sorry, guys. This is the Midnight Garden Shadow Palette, and it does have a retail value of $18. So then last but not least, this is heavy, and again, bougie glass. This is like something you'd see at like, what? Urban Outfitters, maybe? Is that what it's called? Or, I don't know. I'm not going to say it because I'm going to look like a moron. But anyways, this is the Orange Blossom and Lavender Complexion Water. It retails for $34, and it says add an extra dose of beneficial nutrients while hydrating, soothing, and toning your skin. It's like thousands waves of calm in a bottle filled to the brim with, okay, well, whatever. So yeah, you do get 4 ounces of this, which is really, really nice, and I'm excited about this. I really, really like how this looks. I'm not going to open it yet. I'm sure it has like an expiration. You have 12 months. I have a lot of setting sprays open, but that is one I will definitely be using. Okay, so overall, my thoughts on this box. I do feel like some of the products we got in here were very, very nice, and the retail value total of everything in this box is $136. Now, I don't know a lot about this company, guys. I don't know how new they actually are, but I will say I think that the products, as far as what we're paying for this box, $19.99, that is including shipping, I do feel like overall it's actually a really good deal and a really good price overall of everything that we did receive in this box. Now, even though I may not use everything in here, like I said, it's not a big deal. I will gift it, and I am pretty excited though about the hair oil, the complexion water, as well as the butt naked scrub. I'll definitely be using it. So anyways, guys, that is the unboxing of the November Fashionsta box. December should be coming, but they haven't taken the money out yet. I don't really know how that's going to work out. I don't know if I'll end up just getting it in January. I'm not for sure. I kind of honestly, I went online looking to contact them, and I wasn't able to find how to get in touch with them. So I was like, I don't know. So I guess I could probably dig a little deeper and try that way. But anywho, let me know your thoughts below. Did you receive this box? I'm still learning whether or not there's different variations, because on the card it doesn't say anything about different variation codes, kind of like what you'd see in like Boxycharm or what have you. So definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know if you received this box, if you picked it up, what items did you get? Do we get the same items, everybody, like across the board? Are there different variations? I'm rambling. I'm gonna hop off. Your girl has been so multitasking. I'm trying to get as many videos done a day as possible, because when I'm having really good thyroid days, I want to be a rock star. I want to do all that I can possibly do. You know what I mean? Don't forget about the giveaways that I have going on, as well as if you're interested in becoming part of our Patreon family, I'll have that linked and listed in the description box down below for you guys. We'd love to have you as part of our Patreon family. And I hope you decide to subscribe to our channel before you leave, and click that like button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That came out so fast. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell, so hopefully you're notified every time that I upload a video. I'm doing Vlogmas over on my second channel, so definitely make sure to check that out. That's always fun. And until next time, friends, I thought I was going to be able to film without hearing that. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!
Like this video if you should be doing something else, but instead you're watching TikTok because you downloaded it as a joke and now you're addicted.